Hello everyone, Ruchi here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with some ATC coin tags. I have used Prima and Finaware products for that and gave them vintage look. First, die cut some circles in different sizes and glued them together. This pattern paper is from Prima and now I'm distressing all the edges of my tags. I have used my crocodile tool for punching these tags. Now I am applying Prima texture paste using star stencil, and after that sprinkled some glitter grits from Expressions Craft. I have mentioned all the supplies link in the description box, so you can find all the links over there. These chipboards are from Southern Rich Trading Company and I'm applying Prima black gesso all over that. Southern Rich Trading Company has wide range of beautiful chipboards and you can find the store link in the description box. I have applied black gesso on these keys and button and then heat embossed them using Ranger black embossing powder. Now I'm arranging all the elements together, so you enjoy the process and I will be back. Lastly, I have added Prima art stones and Finnabair glass glitters to finish my tags. That's it for today. I hope you like them. All the supplies are listed below in the description box. I will come up with more crafty videos, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya.